up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga kapuso, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. For today, balik reaction tayo agad-agad sa unang araw ng taon para sa unang pasabog ng 2023 sa Philippine television. Ito nga ang Voltes 5 Legacy, The World is Under Attack mega trailer. Oh my God, kagabi ko pa to gusto reactan, guys. Kaya lang, syempre, alam niyo naman, nag-celebrate tayo ng New Year. And for today, syempre, hindi natin palalagpasin, i-check ang Voltes 5 Legacy, The World is Under Attack mega trailer dahil the long wait is over. Ito na nga at buo na ang mega trailer ng Voltes 5. Napanood ko na yung mga teaser before, hindi natin reactan, guys, kasi maikli lang naman yon. And of course, this time, syempre, ito yung yung buong-buo na talaga. May storyline and of course, ipapakita nila anong meron sa Voltes 5 Legacy. Syempre, excited tayo dahil tayo mga batang 90s dyan. Super love natin ang Voltes 5. Nung kabataan ko, grabe, pinapanood ko to. At medyo hindi na ako ganun ka-familiar kasi ang tagal na, guys. Pero alam ko pa rin naman yung ibang mga pangalan and of course, kung sino yung mga characters. Pero yung ibang main characters hindi natin masyadong So, ipapaalala sa atin ito ng trailer na ito. And of course, balita ko ay bonggang-bongga ang effects. Kaya naman, ano pa bang inaantay natin, guys? So, let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go here. Shit! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is the mega trailer of Voltes 5 Legacy. The World is Under Attack. Oh my God! Shoota talaga, as in, grabe. Ang ganda ng visuals, sound, and the storyline. Grabe, aabangan to. Level up kung level up. You know, top of the line visual effects ang ginamit nila in Philippine history, and it's really a history in the making. I hope and pray na sana hindi lang to sa trailer, guys, no? Sana the execution of this kind of visual effects maging consistent kasi daily to eh. It's a daily drama series or maybe a fantasy series and adaptation to ng most iconic anime noong 90s or 80s pa ata ang Voltes 5. So, definitely, alam ko na hindi tayo ipapahiya ng GMA, diba? Pagdating sa ganito. And Toei Company, and as I heard and I read the articles before, na binantayan talaga ng Toei Company na maging magandang execution. So, definitely, yun yung ine-expect natin and we expect nothing but the best, diba? And this is a proud moment, not only by GMA, but the whole Philippines. This is a milestone, a history in the making. And in terms of storyline, may pa-backstory, guys. Parang yung tatay nila, Steve, diba? Tapos pinakita yung nanay niya eh. And then, grabe yung eksena na namatay yung nanay niya. And the effects ng spaceship, ni Voltes 5 itself, yung mga kalaban. May mga parts lang na, alam naman natin, natural lang yan. Kasi, hindi naman natin sinasabi na super duper leveling na ng mga Avengers kineme ito. Pero yung may mga cartoony part which is really hindi mo na mapapansin sa sobrang ganda ng execution and also the visuals is really, really good. Siguro ang mga abangan ko na rin dito yung acting, diba? Ng characters like in Maria Clara at Ibarra, yung talagang each and every actors, kahit side actors lang sila, backup or supporting, especially the main, sobrang in character. So, yun ang mga abangan din natin, how they will do the acting part, diba? Kasi aside from the best production in town, of course, dapat kalibre din ang execution pagdating sa arte at pagbibigay buhay sa mga characters. So, yan ang mga abangan natin. Kaya naman, grabe, abangan natin. At gusto ko makilala yung mga characters. So kung alam nyo, guys, kung merong articles or may video na pinapakilala yung mga characters, i-comment down below ninyo para ma-check natin at ma-refresh naman ang ating memory. Kung hindi ko na kakalimutan, Lazarus yung pangalan or Lizardo. Lizardo sa Panday pala yun. Charot. At syempre sila Steve, si Big Bird at si Little John kasi sila yung magkakapatid. So, super kilala ko sila. And at saka yung isa, ang pogi nung gumanap. Guys, gusto ko sila makilala. So, i-comment down below ninyo kung may ganong videos or article para ma-check natin ang mga characters na gaganap sa Voltes 5 Legacy. Alright, so that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys! Bye for now!